2007 Sunnybrook Titan 31 BWKS for sale in Goose Creek, South Carolina 29445. Get ready to experience quality residential living right by the campsite with this 2007 Sunnybrook Titan 31 BWKS. This fifth-wheel RV is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. It is 35.5 feet in length and comes with a creative floor plan that has 3 slide-outs and 1 awning, and sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this Sunnybrook Titan is exceptionally clean and comes with the convenience of self-leveling jacks and plenty of storage space. This 2007 Sunnybrook Titan 31 BWKS fifth wheel has everything you need to truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. This make and model RV, in excellent condition, does not come up for sale very often. It is equipped better than most comparable RVs in its class, has a spacious floor plan that is tough to beat and was built by a top-rated manufacturer using the latest aluminum and composite technologies. This RV is a very well-balanced unit and tows exceptionally well. The features on this RV are many. Great cooking area with a 3-burner stove and oven, large microwave refrigerator/freezer double kitchen, sink with water purifier dinette with chair SeatingTwo televisions throughout surround sound DVD/CD/StereoSofa 2 ReclinersLarge bathroom with ShowerMaster queen-size bed full-size closet/DresserCentral heat and air ceiling FanSpare tire with carrier 50 amp electrical service airbag pin BoxMorryde entry StepsOutdoor cookstove with 25 of gas hose 5th wheel hitch and so much more. This 2007 Sunnybrook Titan 31 BWKS has been meticulously maintained. Perfect for anyone that wants to cherish every moment of their RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced very competitively, so don't miss out on this rare opportunity. Call today for more information on how you can hit the road with this unparalleled 2007 Sunnybrook Titan 31 BWKS.